Hi, this is Derek Van Clive with the Boat House of Naples, standing in front of the beautiful 2024 Crownline E305XS. Let's go ahead and step aboard this boat and show off some of the features that make it a truly awesome day boat on the water. So starting off here at the platform, you'll notice you have a nice wide entry to be able to get on and off from the dock comfortably. You have your two huge horsepower V8 Mercury 300s, and you'll have two backrests that flip forward and back electronically, so they can sit into any position that you prefer, not any preset that a manufacturer would leave you. So as you get into the cockpit of the Crownline E305XS, you'll notice you have an expansive hardtop for a great amount of shade while you're running the boat, a nice electric sure shade for shade over the aft two seats here, plus the can speakers for your riders behind the boat. Beyond that, we also have a nice little refrigerator drawer that'll pull out on your port side bench. As you come to the helm of the Crownline E305XS, you'll notice you have your twin Garmin screens, digital binnacles from Mercury, as well as joystick, and control to your wet sound stereo system. As you step down into the head compartment, you'll notice you have a beautiful porcelain head that will be electric flush, a nice glass sink, as well as that stainless steel spigot to be able to wash off when you're finished, and you've got a great amount of storage in the finished cabinetry that is built into the head compartment. Stepping into the bow of the E305XS, you'll notice you have a nice expanded bow, huge, comfortable seating, and I love that Crownline gives you this nice little comfort curve underneath you. So when you're going up and down on waves, you're not sliding out of your seat. Either side will be outfitted with two cup holders and two USBs, so phones do not die on this boat. And in the center, nice easy access for a removable cooler. So again, this has been Derek Van Clive with the Boat House of Naples on the 2024 Crownline E305XS. If you have any further questions about this boat or anything else that you see on our website, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Other than that, thank you for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.